Day 2 of the Power Wheels project. And got out here, and just as a proof of concept, I went ahead and wired up my little 12 volt DC relay here. So this is the power coming from the batteries itself. We'll start with the negative, the black one. It comes in, comes out, and goes straight to the plug for the motors. This is just here because I didn't have long enough wire. Now we have another black wire in the same bundle, or the same plug, and it goes to the ground side of this switch. And there's actually 3 wires here. One wire goes over here to the little radio thing, got that to work. The other one comes down and is the ground side of our relay. Now the power out of the batteries, the positive, we've got 2 wires here. The big red one goes to the power in to the relay, and the small red one comes up and it goes to the power side of the switch. That's it. So we have positive and negative up here, and when we flip the switch, it just takes the positive from this terminal and puts it to this terminal. Now this terminal, the red wire, goes to the radio, and the white wire comes up here. So we get power out of here, it comes up to this brown wire, which goes to the push button for the throttle, and then out of that we follow it down and it goes to the trigger side of the relay. And what happens is when you push the button here, little contact in here, so the green wire coming out of the relay goes to the positive side of the motor. And when you push the button, the little contact in there connects this big red wire to this green wire. So all the high amperage load is going through these 2 wires and none of the small wires up here. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's test it out. So there's our little radio. We got the blue indicator letting us know that it's on. Now if we push this button, everything works. And I had to get the files out and make that hole up there bigger for that switch, but that fits. So now what would happen if when you push the button and it goes backwards? Well, it's just a matter of switching these 2 wires. Because it's DC motors, you give it voltage one way, it goes one direction. You flip the polarity, it goes the other. So there's the proof of concept. Just waiting on the relay.